broadcasting to the upper atmosphere. The Syndicate just activated the anti-air lasers over Sector 1. But look up, operators. We've got a rogue runner dancing across the skyline. She's carrying the transmission gear to the very top of the Babylon Tower. The gravity is heavy, but the spirit is light. Don't look down. Transmission from the underground. The lasers cutting through the chemical cloud, but I'm bypassing the grid and I'm laughing out loud. The corporate security is heavy and slow. They cannot track the rhythm of the heavy iron flow. Dancing on the rooftop, catching the wind, washing off the ledger of the syndicate's sin. The boots are on the concrete, the hand is on the rail. The promise of the architect is never going to fail. Keep the tempo pulsing and the frequency clear. The heavy iron gospel is broadcasting here. I jump across the gap to the processing floor and kick the heavy lock on the penthouse door. The boardroom is empty, the terminal is black. I'm plugging in the drive for the ultimate hack. The system starts flashing with the warning in red, but I'm trusting in the manual that the sovereign said. The truth is leaking out into the ventilation shaft, and I'm leaving them a ghost on the heavy iron draft. The lasers are cut